Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by inserting a blank slide and placing your cup image or vector. You want a clean canvas. You should use guides and grid lines so elements align precisely. Snap to grid if needed. Once placed, lock aspect ratio and set scale. This prevents distortion later. Choose a small color palette and 2 fonts to maintain clarity. Make sure to import any logo at high resolution. This preserves sharpness when you resize and prepares you for the next design steps. Now build the design. Add shapes for labels, handles, or sleeves, then use picture fill or gradient fills to simulate material. You can apply effects like shadow or bevel sparingly. These enhance depth without overwhelming the design. Once done, use Format Painter to copy style settings across shapes. This keeps consistency. Make sure to group related parts so you can move the cup as one object. Ungroup only when editing individual components. This organized approach speeds up revisions and export. Finish by checking alignment and spacing, then preview at 100% zoom to catch pixel issues. Once satisfied, hide guides and export a high-resolution PNG at 300 dpi for print or SVG for scalable vector needs. Also save an editable PPTX. If elements misalign after export, make sure grouping and rotations are flattened. As a troubleshooting tip, rasterize complex effects or merge shapes before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.